छोटे शहर के सपने बड़े हैं, हर पर हर जगह सीना ताने खड़े हैं। दिल में जुनून है, सबसे आगे है बढ़ना, चाहे पड़े ऊपर वाले से लड़ना। बदल देंगे इन लकीरों को आज, बदल देंगे अपनी तकदीरों को आज। जिंदगी के मैदान हम आगे रहेंगे, आएगा वो पल भी जब हम कहेंगे ज़मीं पर भी कभी अपनी हस्ती नहीं थी। आसमां सारे आज कदमों में पड़े हैं, छोटे शहर के सपने बड़े हैं, हर पर हर जगह सीना ताने खड़े हैं।
My aim in life is to become the richest person in the world.
I really want to grow in my life.
My aim in life is to be a micro-research analyst.
I want to become a good businessman.
My short-term aim is to excel in my biotechnology field.
I want to reach the highest post.
At present, I'm looking for a job to build up my career and fulfill my dreams.
Aspire's core purpose is to discover and nurture talent. By developing and delivering employable talent, we're solving a pressing need for India, that of skills development. Through this initiative, we are serving both employers and potential employees, especially in Tier 2, 3 and 4 cities. We're solving 3 problems for employers: that of availability of skilled, trained manpower, of growing wage inflation and high attrition. We're serving potential employees by taking the mainstream India growth story right to their doorsteps in their cities all across India.
Aspire is associated with some of the multinational companies and other BPOs in the country, like WNS, Genpact and many more. So I got an opportunity to come here, and I've already appeared for the assessment and the interviews.
It is a link between an employee and employer. It provides a path to get a good job, which I came to know after attending the pre-placement talk, that is PPT.
I got to know it from an advertisement in a paper about the job fair. So I think it's a good platform to be here, to a good opportunity for upcoming students to participate in.
My father told me that wherever you go, you just got to achieve fame and success, irrespective of the fact in whatever field you go. And definitely, after joining Aspire, definitely my father's dream would come true.
जी हाँ, मैं अब एस्पायर कंपनी ज्वाइन करने के बाद अपने पेरेंट्स के सपनों को पूरा कर पाऊँगी।
इससे अच्छा अवसर तो उसे कभी मिल भी नहीं सकता, मैं सोचती हूँ। अगर पंजाब में कहीं करती है तो उसको इतना, कहीं टीचिंग लाइन में कहीं चली जाती है, उसका इतना अच्छा करियर, जबकि इसी एस्पायर इसको आगे इतना बढ़ावा दे रही है। समय ऐसा है कि लड़की का करियर बहुत ज़रूरी है। लड़के का करियर नहीं है, समझो कुछ नहीं है। मेन सबसे बढ़िया बात मेरे को अच्छी लगी है, जो कंपनी बच्चे को हेल्प कर रही है। कहीं फील्ड में चला जाए, बच्चे को कहीं हेल्प नहीं मिलती, लेकिन यहाँ बच्चे को पूरी हेल्प मिल रही है। मेरी सबसे बड़ी समस्या ये सॉल्व हुई है।
मैंने
many cities are there which does not reach to that level. So Aspire is trying to make those students who are ambitious to do something in their life, to make them achieve their goal.
There are some people who would like to study certain thing, but like financially that can't be provided to them. Then it's a very good opportunity like that. Some company is financing your studies and you are getting to study and then work for that company and you'll be getting experience as well. No? That's why it's really good thing to do.
Aspire is the center where the people get an opportunity to build up their career.
दिल्ली का माहौल, कलकत्ता का माहौल या दार्जिलिंग का माहौल में बहुत फ़र्क है। उधर का रहन सहन, उधर का खान पीन, उधर का डिसिप्लिन, इधर का बहुत अंतर है।
जितना वो हमारा लड़का चाहता है अच्छा करना, उससे तो यहाँ छोटा है, यह कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, इसीलिए हमने उसको एस्पायर कंपनी भेज दिया।
Actually, sir, as it is the beginning of my career, I am not expecting for any type of salary. I just need experience in regarding field. So, rather preferring about the salary, I prefer about my career.
Aspire started off about 9 months back. Initially, the going was tough. The candidates were difficult to come by. It was difficult to convince parents. It was difficult to convince the college authorities. Overall, it was a scenario where our talent scouts had to go out and be in the market every single day, every single moment. Slowly, this started to change. We are now getting across to people. We are now talking to college authorities. We have relationships with about 2,000 colleges across the country. We're talking to parents. We're running counseling sessions. We're reaching out to the right target audience. And today, when we take out an ad or we do an event at a college, the response is tremendous.
If I get a job, I will move to a metro city.
I guess Bangalore.
I would prefer North Zone.
I prefer Mumbai rather than that of other places.
I would like to go to Delhi.
First preference is in Mumbai.
I want to be independent.
It can be Delhi, it can be Bombay, it can be Chennai.
Delhi is the place where I would like to be. I love that city.
Anywhere in India, sir.
The assessment methodology at Aspire is customized to pinpoint the exact training period. Once the assessment tool throws up a score, we know whether the candidate needs to be trained for 1 month, 2 months or 3 months. This is particularly customized to different roles in the industry.
Aspire customers chiefly benefit from our national network of career centers and training academies. Underlying this network is our proprietary human talent supply chain technology, which creates a scalable economic model. Our customers not only get well-trained, well-groomed, employable manpower, we reduce their total cost of employee ownership by 30 to 50%. Aspire is the future of recruiting entry-level resources.
Grow more? Grow more.
Grow more.
Grow more.
Grow more. Grow more. Grow more.
Grow more. Grow more.
Grow more.
Grow more.